Guys, how you doing, YouTube? So this is my Anet A8. I just finished assembling it. Took about, I don't know, maybe 8 hours total. Did a couple mods here to just to dress it a little bit. Went and bought this stuff here, which is really nice. One thing I didn't like, these lead screws, they don't actually touch anything. They just kind of float. So I'm going to be printing something for that right away. I'm still going to do the bed level. I actually haven't even turned it on yet, but I was just going over the wiring. I added a MOSFET right away. I'm going to try to do a bunch of strain relief on the back of this for this. And tie wrapped all this. I'm going to leave this long just because I'm going to probably move these up to here eventually. And yeah, there's the MOSFET back there. Other than that, I use some, on these wires here, I use some ferrules due to vibration, which are basically just like they crimp over the wire. You've probably maybe never seen them before, but you can get them from Amazon for pretty cheap. I bought this kit here. That's what they look like. And then this thing is just like an aperture. It closes it. Anyways, they're really good. I use them at work all the time. That was like 25 bucks for that kit I bought a couple months ago. But it looks pretty decent. I want to do the mod for this to take that off. That way it's easier to feed everything into it. I did buy some filament here. I got it from Amazon. It just came in. This stuff here, I got some blue. So I don't know. At my local shop there, they got some brand I've never even heard before. I mean, I've never heard of this either, but I'm going to check it out. And I got another one of these MOSFETs. And then this is like for the Bowden setup I bought for like 20 bucks or something Canadian. And then this is one of those knockoff E3Ds, I believe they're called. It was super cheap, so I bought it too. We'll see if it cheap actually works. And then some strip lighting. I'm going to light the whole thing up here. Obviously, because like the lighting in this shop is overkill. Wait, yeah, there's the other one there. I know it's an unfinished basement, but and this is kind of the disaster that it was left in after the build. I try to keep it somewhat clean. And a lot of these screws, I use some of theirs, but then I use some of my own. Like for these ones there, the socket heads I like are the capstones. I like those better. These are really good, but the thing only goes in like 3 threads. So I got some longer ones, but I got to cut them down because they're way too long. Could probably back 2 nuts on it, but it would look like shit. But yeah, so I'm gonna fire this thing up here in a few. Just gonna go over the level checks on here with my my ruler. I got that thing all built, ready to go. So, alright guys, that was it. It was actually rather interesting, easy build. Alright, have a good one.